What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth, and today I'm going to be covering Chris Brown's Possessive. I want to show you how you can implement some other changes. Even though the chord progression is super simple, it's really just 2 chords. But I want to show you how you can play some tasteful stuff around it. I know that a lot of you guys have been mentioning how you want to kind of start to expand a little bit more. So I'm just giving you some cool ideas that you can use. And this is just a cool I like to call it my triad quartet kind of movement that I think can definitely be played properly on this song. So this song is in the key of A flat. So I'm going to start on that 6, 5, 1, so, and I'm really accenting off of that B string. So. That's essentially the movement that I want to use. Let's take a listen to the song so you can hear how to it's really just 2 chords, but I'll show you how I'm going to place that movement. 4, I'm sorry, it's an A, not A flat. So we're in the key of A, we're going off of that 4, 3. Now let's do that movement.
We love so much. You can feel it in your bones. Sending you signals like saying she trying to drag you. Your feelings left you alone, but how you bragging? You found a new you can count on. I wanna hear your mama remember me. She was talking down on me, switching your energies. I got you falling like when the leaves from the
So that's all that I'm working on. Is just, it's like I liken everything that I do. It's about timing. So I'm just really trying to focus in on making sure I'm grabbing it in between that double Dutch little space. So again, the song is in the key of A. I said A flat initially, I was wrong, it's A. So it's off of that 6, so 6. I liken it to my 2, or say my 2. 1. I'm going to go to my 6. I'm just bouncing between that hammer on that E and that B string. That's a whole nother exercise, but back to the concept. That's how we're just going to place that lick. So again, the song is called Possessive. I'm playing the clean version. If you want to play the other version, you definitely can. But I'm playing Chris Brown's clean version. It's still the same progression, same swag, but I just want to let you guys know which version I was playing. All right, love you guys. Have a great one.
Hi there, I'm Kerry, and thank you so much for watching this video. There's so much awesome content on this channel that's going to help you unlock the fretboard and play the way that you've always wanted to play. So go ahead, click the subscription button and the bell right over here, and keep getting more awesome videos and the content that I'm going to post at least once a week. So thank you for watching, keep on practicing, and I'll see you soon.